Here we see the small staircase in SolidWorks, and we find the weight also for this, how much weight it will take. So first we start with the plane, so right plane, and make a circle, and this is for the pipe, not in the origin, just above the origin. So the pipe diameter is 300, and from origin means it is from the ground to top of the pipe to be 400. So see, this 250 plus 150 to be 400, it should be the top of the pipe, so we are taking that one. And just go to the option, document property, dimension, just all the way you come down, and trailing 0 na, just remove this, so we will not get this 0.00, this precision number we will avoid. If it is 0.5 it will show, the 0 only it will avoid, okay, it will remove. So just extrude this pipe for 1 meter, because we going to make a stair for 500 width, okay. So just for the reference only we are making this pipe. So select the right plane and create a new plane, the center of the 1 meter, and make it again create another plane, okay, and make a sketch for 250. So select from the origin line, so that we consider as a ground. So from there we going to make a steps, just make a steps, just make it a rough sketch, okay, then we will make it final. Just we need the shape first, initially we need the shape, so just make a shape, okay. And this bottom line to be construction line, that is only for the reference only for us. So the each step to be height is 170 mm, okay, this all dimensions are in mm, so each step to be 170 mm. So and extend this to be up to the ground, okay, and each step width to be 250 mm. So select these two lines and make some relation coincident, okay, so it will match in the other direction, it will match. So make it for each step 250, and make a center line also, make for the construction line, this is for the reference only. So from here to be 250, and the top landing portion to be 500 mm width, okay, and this height also each step to be 170 mm. So from here to here 170 mm. When you make the dimension, make it very clear, because this will reflect in the detailed drawing, so that time we no need to adjust the dimension, okay. So when we make the dimension, make it in the good location, so it will go to the detailed drawing also, we no need to change there. So give the relation equal, again select this and this one to be equal, okay. So almost our sketch is ready, okay. We need to be all the sketch to be in the black, so it will be fully defined, so equal, okay. Now our sketch is fully in the black, so our sketch is fully defined, okay. Just exit the sketch, then we need to go to the Weldment, okay, exit, then go to the Weldment and Weldment member, Okay, now we select the Weldment member from ISO square tube, and we have to take a 50-50 square 4 mm thick. Okay, just select this one and click OK. Please ensure your dimension. Okay, so it will not make you any mistake. So go to the measurement tool, and if you not find the measurement, just type it there and keep it somewhere here. Mostly we are going to use this one to cross check the dimension. Okay, see, now it is 195 mm from the ground to the first step top. Okay, so we need to be 170 mm, right? So go to the edit and check the locate profile. From the locate profile you can specify the location. So select this end, so it will be the top of the line. So what we measured 170 will be this line. Okay, so this is the top of the step 170, right? Again we will make similar. So we make the similar procedure to the all the steps. Okay, and locate profile, and we will fix the location also. Okay, this landing portion also select this point, so it will cover the outer line. What we drawn same length it will get, same, right? Then go to the mirror, we want to repeat the same, so select the bodies to mirror. Okay, select this one, these steps, select these steps and select the plane or face. So we select the plane, front plane and mirror. Okay, this is done. The same way we have to go for the other side also. So again go to the mirror and mirror this all. So select the bodies and select the plane 1. So okay, so it is mirrored now. Now go to the top plane, not the top plane, select any one surface and make a sketch to draw the step. So select the sketch, then go to the rectangle, corner rectangle, and make a rectangle. Okay, then give some relation. Okay, this to be 500 mm width, and now give the relation, select the midpoint on this plane and coincident. Okay, so it will be in the center of the stair. Then extrude this for 6 mm thick. Okay, the same way we will repeat all the area. So select the sketch and make a rectangle and extrude this for 6 mm thick. Give some relation and extrude for 6 mm thick. Okay, same repeat it here also, this landing, and just speeding the video. Give the relation and extrude for 6 mm thick. Okay, now again we no need to go, just mirror this, select the bodies and the plane and just mirror it. Okay, yeah, just hide the planes. So our drawing is almost ready now. We need to add the base plate, so we need to know the height from the pipe to the frame. So go to the measure tool, click this one and select the pipe OD and bottom of pipe OD to the bottom of this line structure. Okay, so we got around 60 mm clearance, so that is more sufficient, no problem for that. So we will fix this drawing, then go check the diamond, go and check the weight. See, we need 3 precision, accuracy also. Okay, so it is showing 79 kg for this, but this is not the correct because we have not specified any material. So first we have to specify the material. So go to the material. If you not make it favorite, just make it favorite, add to favorite, so it will display in your list. I have already added. So fix the material first, A36. So now check the weight. It is showing 600 kg. Okay, and this is also not right because this structure will not consider 600 kg. It is included the pipe, so it is showing 600 kg. That is the reference only. So just rename that pipe and we will ignore this. Okay, suppress this item and we will check the weight now. Now you can see this is 71 kg. Okay, this is the actual weight for this one. And we forgot to add the base plate also, so we'll add the base plate, then we will check the weight, final weight. So go to the top plane and make a sketch and take the center rectangle and we make for the 75. This is 550 mm square, so we make this for 70 mm square. So make it equal, so it will be 75 mm and make some center, so it will be in the center now. So our drawing is in fully black, so it is defined. And go to the pattern, linear pattern, and we need in only in y-axis. So select the y-axis and length to be 250 and this pattern to be repeat, and we need it for only 3 locations. So just make it 3 numbers and okay, and extrude this base plate for 10 mm. Base plate should be more thick, so we will keep for 10 mm. Higher thickness will be good for the base plate. So again we need to mirror this one, so select the bodies to mirror, select the body 1 2 3 and select the plane, and we need the plane to be front plane, so repeat. Okay, again mirror this one, select the bodies 1 2 3, again 1 2 3 and select the plane. This is what we created, this plane 250, that plane, so we'll mirror this. And we almost done our staircase. So now we need to trim this from the base plate, so select these bodies. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3, right. Now we have to trim it from the face, so select the top of this base plate, so it will trim. Okay, it will show the correct only, but ensure it is showing correct or not. So we need to keep this, we need to discard this. Okay, then okay. Yeah, now our drawing is fully finished. Now check the weight. This is the actual weight for A36 material. If you change the weight, it will change the material, it will change the weight. Okay, and if you want to make some color, you can go to the appearance and you can change the color. Okay, and this is how the stair we make in SolidWorks. And thanks for watching, and keep subscribe our channel and like the video.